Alright guys, so let's put your shit on some jack stands. If you want to do the front shocks. It's a 17, 12. Do a comparison. How much of it? That's probably like 2 inches lower or more. 3 inches lower. Is the travel the same? The travel is longer on this one. Wait, is there a left and a right one? Let me see this. Always gotta double check, guys. This is the right one. This one's the left one. You're gonna tell by this. This goes on the drum. This is better. The thing is for this though?
Yeah, I think like that.
Like that or?
Yeah. No. Put it flat, like, you know? And this, I think this sticking out. A little lower,
Right there.
No, I think it's a thing now.
Should that be? No, I think it has to be where the shocks are.
Okay, alright, put it right there.
And let me see the... Hold down the board. And you just do the same thing for the other side. Alright guys, now that it's on, it is lower. The gap right here, I forgot to show you guys how much the gap was before, but it should be in the video. It's way more closer. Oh shit. Let's see the clearance. Oh shit, that actually hits. It's supposed to be like that.
What?
It hits, look.
It's what?
It hits right here. It's supposed to hit the box? Is yours do that? Is your hit?
Yeah,
it hits? Oh shit, what the fuck? So, for example, guys, this is the stock
shocks.
Stock shocks right here. I can literally put my whole fist in there And on mine, now that I got the slammed ones, no, it doesn't. Way much closer. Look at that clearance right there. Everything's super close. It's what I wanted. These should be still good. Keep these for backup in case anybody needs it. And now we're gonna put on the kickstand. It's gonna be super easy. One bolt right there. All right, guys. So this is the outcome of the front shocks and the throttle cable, and also the kickstand. Has a way lower stance. This looks better overall. Now matches my stretch. And the throttle cable is no longer over the gas tank where it used to be right here. Now it fits nice and perfect. That's the TRS kickstand. Show you how it goes like that. It's a little loose because I don't know if I have how to use the same hardware as the peg right here. Or I just have to tighten it a little bit more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. How it came out. Stay tuned for the next video.